All right, good morning. It is Monday, November 13th, 2023. We hope you had a nice weekend. First off, we just wanted to thank all the veterans out there. All right, and obviously this past weekend being Veterans Day, we're here at the office. We have the privilege of working with a number of veterans. So thank you for your service and to your families as well, and for their sacrifice. This past weekend was also my wife's birthday, Caitlin. So we had a nice time celebrating, as my friend says, her getting another year better. All right. So my wife, my daughter Keegan, we made Caitlin a little breakfast in bed yesterday morning, which was fun. So just fun to celebrate her and. She does so many wonderful things for our family. Okay, next thing on the list here, the Client Appreciation hockey games. All right, so we've received a number of RSVPs. Thank you for that. Yes, so coming up here, just a few short weeks away. So again, if you plan on coming, if you could please RSVP. I know I didn't put a date on there. I kind of wish I would have, but. In terms of a day to RSVP by. But if you could just do us the favor of please sending in a note if you plan to come for either Friday, December 1st or Sunday the 3rd. We just need to finalize, how much food and drink to have in the suites for those nights. And also they're filling up a little. They're filling up a little bit quicker than they have in years past. So if you want to come, please let us know as soon as you can. Okay, in markets last week, relatively quiet week. Maybe not surprising after the week prior, right? Now I know Patrick touched on this a week ago, but market had the best week of the entire year, the week prior. So relatively quiet. Okay, like the market was still up a touch, but just not a lot of economic data. You did see yields kind of continue to stabilize, which. That will be like the big X factor here in the coming months. What the Fed does, what yields do, and really that'll largely be a product of the economic data that comes in here in the coming months. So I would expect a little bit more volatility this week, just given we have the CPI reading. All right, so we get the inflation data tomorrow on Tuesday, and then we receive the retail sales number Wednesday, right? So two pretty big economic data points that the Fed keeps a close eye on. And as you know, markets react very, very quickly to new information coming into the marketplace. So I would expect some volatility surrounding those trading days, but we'll see. Please let us know if you have questions. What we're going to be continuing this week to work on, all those outstanding fall action items. Okay, so don't be surprised if you receive a little email. If we're just kind of nudging you to take some action on maybe something we discussed in the fall. So we hope you have a wonderful week. And questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. Please RSVP again if you haven't yet. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.